how are my ladies doing? If you want to see how I achieve these natural looking eyelash extensions using lash strips, just stay tuned with my video. What is up, YouTube family? It's your girl here, Miracle Locks, back with another video, and this will be my first time doing a DIY of how I use strips and make them into individual lashes. I go for more of a natural look, and wispies are my favorite. I got this at my local beauty supply store, 3D lashes, Aria. I thought they was really pretty, so I picked them out. I'm not a professional. I just use what I've been using forever and what's good for me, but you're gonna need some tweezers. But for me purposely, the glue that I use is yeah, hair glue. Yeah, but I don't use much when I use it. It's the only thing that doesn't irritate my eyes. And I have a spoolie brush from an old mascara that I had to use to brush and separate my lashes. So okay, let's get into this DIY. It ain't nothing, cut it off. You know what? Now in this part, I just put the glue, like a dot of it, like a little dab of it. Like a little dab on it, on the plastic part I took out, you know, that came with the lashes. I don't use a lot, y'all. Please bear with me. This is my first time just doing a DIY, so I kind of had a hard time trying to show how I apply my lashes. So I did my best, y'all. So girl, don't come for me in the comments, girl. I had a hard time trying to get my camera to focus, but I was trying to show you all how the lashes looked up close, and I did use the tweezers to pull it off, you know, and pull the rest off gently with my hand. You don't want to tug at it too hard because it could, you know, rip the lash off. But the way that I cut them, I just cut in between these little spaces that I'm trying to point at, the gaps. I cut in between those so I won't cut the lashes off. And I cut starting from long to short and apply it that way from the end of my eyelash to the inner corner. Now in this part, I'm just showing you all how I brush my lashes, just to get all the dirt or any excess or anything that might be caught up in there. Plus it's easier for me to apply, so it can look more natural when I have them close together. And y'all don't come for my skin, y'all, in the comments. Y'all like, a girl ain't got perfect skin, but you know, it's okay though. I'm feeling baddie. Now this part, I'm just showing you all where I normally cut my lashes at. I be trying to be careful, but you know, oh shit, I done dropped the goddamn lash. Oh goddamn it. Now this part, I'm just showing you all what, you know, how much I put on the lash when I dip it in the glue. And I always dip the side that's curved because that is the part that I'm applying on my lash. And when I apply my lashes, I apply under the bottom of them because it looks more natural than it would, you know, if it was on the top. And I normally have to keep the lash in place to keep it from falling. You can hold it there for like a couple of seconds, you know, till the glue gets tacky and it stays like that. Also, when I'm applying my lashes, I tend to push them up, going over as it dries, so you can actually see them, and it doesn't look flat, like straight across if I'm looking ahead or looking in a different direction. Kind of want them to curl up a little bit, so I push them up. Make sure you do, so they won't lay straight across your lash. I'm just showing you all how I apply this one more time, and then I'm just going to speed through this because I did have a hard time trying to record and do this at the same time. But you just repeat this same step all the way down towards the inner corner of your eye, and you can cut your lash to the size of your eye. I made it to where I could try to use the whole strip and fit the whole thing in there, and it still came out cute. But yeah, I'm finna speed through this, y'all. Right here, I'm just showing you all how my right lash looks once I finish and added mascara to it. And now I'm going to skip on to my left eye. By the way, I forgot to mention, I'm sorry if I'm looking over. I have the mirror behind my ring light because I didn't have a mirror to have in front of me. So yeah, that's why I'm looking kind of crazy. This is how my eyes looked when I was finished. This is before I applied the mascara to my right eye. But as you can see, they look really natural. And you can't even tell that they're strip lashes. And I use my fingertips to close the lashes and my natural lash together so it will look more natural and I'll all be pressed together. Yeah, I just use my fingers. And here you guys go. These are the finished results once I applied the mascara, and I think they came out really cute. So I didn't pay nothing but like $3.49 for these lashes at my local beauty supply store. But you can go to Family Dollar, you can get anything and use $2 lashes, and boom. Girl, who's finna spend all them extra coins on, if you don't got it for Meeks? Well, that is all, y'all. I thank you all for watching my channel, and if you are new to my channel, please press that subscribe button if you like your girl, if you like these lashes, and stay tuned for more videos. Enjoy. Thank you.